So I want to talk about this function and how to clean it up and in general how to code better, right? So what's the problem here? There's two problems. One, there's just a ton of variables. I got four variables here. Latitudes, longitudes, I don't know what the hell is going on. And they're just not, I don't know how they're related or anything. There's no encapsulation. And the other problem, which is related, is it's not scalable. So what we're going to do to solve this is we're going to start to encapsulate using state. We're going to really be intentional about this. So we're going to start by adding a new variable called lat state, right? And this is going to be a dictionary. And basically it's going to contain these two variables so that we can know for a fact that they are related. So now what we have is we have a latitude state, right? We have the latitude bin and max, and if we were to ever add any other latitudes to this particular function in the future, we can scale that, right? So this is a good start, but it's still a fucking mess because, we still have three variables. I'm going to go ahead and create a similar longitude state, right? So now we're in really good shape. But still, there's a little bit more we can do because I still have two variables and I still don't know what the hell is going on. So we need to make sure that these will scale. So what we now need to do is add one more state variable, and we're going to have a constant lat lon state, right? So that's going to help us, keep track of our lat states and our lon states and just our coordinate states, right? This first field is going to be lat state. And that is going to refer to this local variable lat state that is now organized because it is encapsulated within this new state. And likewise, we're going to do lon state. And that is going to be the local variable longitude state, right? So we're much better. So now all we have to do is, take all these complicated variables in this expression and fill them in with the referred variables from the different state. So instead of lon max, we're going to have, we're going to refer to lat lon state, and that'll be dot lon state dot lon max. And likewise, this is going to go away and it's going to become the same thing, but you are going to be a min. And so obviously, like, you can see that this is much better, right? And if we add any lat states or lon states or states of any other types of unknown types of coordinates that have not been discovered, like in the future, like this is going to scale really well. So there you have it. So, the important thing is that now we have something super simple and we have cleaned up our code and we have added encapsulation, and this is how you scale.